Hello, today I'm going to show you how you can make your own invisible ink. We're going to do this by experimenting. Here are the items that you will need: cow milk, almond milk, lemon juice, lime juice, some cotton swabs or Q-tips, an iron, a sheet of paper, and a permanent marker. Now, you want to start off by grabbing your sheet of paper and folding it into 4 quadrants. You want to make sure to crease the paper while folding so that we can tell where to draw a line using the permanent marker. Now take your permanent marker and mark over the creases. You should end up with 4 rectangles. Each rectangle will be assigned to a specific ingredient. Choose where you want the liquid to go and label them accordingly. I chose to label the cow milk in the top right corner, the almond milk in the top left corner, the lime in the bottom right corner, and the lemon in the bottom left corner. Now get 4 Q-tips and place 1 in each container containing the liquids. The reason why you need 4 different Q-tips is so that the liquids won't mix together. Remember that this is an experiment. We want to be able to control our variables as much as possible. Next is the fun part. Draw or write whatever you choose to with the ingredients, making sure to only draw in the designated areas. For the cow milk, I chose to draw a cow. And for the almond milk right now, I am drawing an almond shape. For lemon, I wrote the word yellow. And for lime, I wrote the word green. Once you're satisfied with your art, you will need to wait till the sheet of paper dries up. Now, while waiting for our sheet of paper to dry, we can go ahead and clean up anything that we won't need. After it is all dried, you want to take your sheet of paper and place it on an ironing board. Please have an adult do this if you are younger than 16. You need to turn on your iron and carefully iron the sheet of paper. Make sure you go over the areas you drew on. You should look for any color changes, marks, or any differences. Results should end up with the cow milk, lemon, and lime juice to appear more easier compared to the almond milk. If you look closely, the lime and lemon juice drawings will have a brown tint to it. The cow milk doesn't have a tint, but is still visibly outlined, and the almond milk is less visible than the cow milk. Why does this happen? Although the cow milk and almond milk does look the same, they have different levels of pH. pH is a scale we use to determine whether a solution is acidic, neutral, or alkaline. Alkaline can also be known as basic. The scale ranges from 1 being acidic to 14 being alkaline, meaning only the whole number 7 is neutral. Lemon and lime juice has a pH level between 2 and 3. Cow milk has a pH level between 6.5 to 6.7. These three solutions fall below 7, which makes them more acidic. Almond milk is less visible when dried on paper because it is more alkaline forming. This means that the almond milk has a higher pH level of 7. Now we know what's best if you want to have invisible ink. Almond milk should be best because of its properties compared to the other three liquids. Thanks for watching Brookdale Library's Teen Tech Squad Workshop. Teen Tech Squad workshops are sponsored by the Friends of Hennepin County Library. To learn more, check us out on the Hennepin County Library website. Subscribe and follow us on Instagram and TikTok at BD Teen Tech Squad. See you next time!